Hello everyone, good morning. Hope you all are having a good time at home. So today we are going to start here the English channel of class 2. So students, in this video I will like to start here 5th chapter, and the name of the chapter is the man cub. What do you mean by cub? Cub is called for lion's baby. The name of lion's baby is called cub, but here cub is used for man's baby. This is a story all about man's baby. जो story है वो man के baby की है. Okay, so before starting the story we are going to do here warm up exercise. So what is the question? Let's start. Match these animal riddles with your answers. So these are some puzzles and you will have to match with correct answers. How is an elephant like a tree? So both have trunks. Elephant also, tree also. Why does a cow move? Its horns don't work, so you will match with it. Which keys cannot open locks? So monkeys and donkeys, they cannot open locks. So these are the puzzles. Now we are going to start the story, everyone. Listen it very carefully. It is a rainy day. Dr. Nair comes home early. His children, Uma, Amit and Smita, are very happy to see him. So there was a rainy day and Dr. Nair, he came home early. And his children, Uma, Amit and Smita, they are very excited to see him, to see their father. So children, what are the names of his children? The names of children are Uma, Amit and Smita. And they are very happy, they are very excited to see their father. So tell me everyone, do you also feel happy when your father comes home early? Yes, we feel happy, we feel glad when our father comes home early. So like us also, they are feeling happy. So they sit on a rug in the living room near their father. Then they sat on a carpet in the living room near their father. Mrs. Nair serves hot pakoras to everyone. So here Mrs. Nair, children's mother, she gave hot pakoras to every family members. Papa, please tell us a story, says Uma. Now Uma told to her father, Papa, please tell us a story. We want to listen a story. Then Dr. Nair begins. Then Dr. Nair, he started to tell a story to his children. Now what is the story? Mani and his wife live near a forest. They have a baby boy. So there was a man and his name is Mani, and his wife, they are living near a forest. And they have a baby boy also. One day they go deep into the forest to get honey. And one day what happened? They went into the thick forest, into a strong forest to get honey, to collect honey. They put the baby down on the soft grass under a tree. Then they kept their baby down on the soft grass under a tree. When they are busy collecting honey, Fifi the fox takes the baby away. And when they are making honey, when they were making honey, so Fifi came there and she took the baby away. Who is Fifi? Fifi is the name of fox. So fox, she came there and she took the baby away. My cubs can play with the man cub, she says. Now Fifi is saying to herself that my cubs can play with the man cub. That my baby can play with the man cub. But Minnie the monkey sees the baby and says, I want to play with the man cub. But here Minnie, who is Minnie here? Minnie is the name of monkey. Monkey also looked the baby and he told, I also want to play with the man cub. Then Ali the elephant says, who is Ali here? Ali is the name of elephant. He says, and he also looked the man baby. He told, I also want to play with the man cub. Then all the other animals shout, we want to play with the man cub too. Then what happened? Other animals, they also looked the baby and they were shouting, we also want to play with the man cub. Now Bonnie the bear, who is Bonnie? Bonnie is the name of bear. Bear is afraid, but only bear, he is scaring that Mani will find us and punish us. Now bear is saying Mani will find us and he will give us punishment. Fifi says, silly money cannot find us. Now Fifi means fox. Fox is saying, fool money, foolish money, he cannot find us. Whoever answers my questions correctly can play with the man cub. Now Fifi is saying, whoever answers my questions correctly, they can play with the man cub. Now Minnie, your turn first. Who can run faster than I can? Now Fifi asked the question to Minnie. This is your turn. First of all, you will tell the answer. Who can run faster than I can? मेरे से तेज कौन भाग सकता है? Minnie replies, I can. Not correct. Chinu the cheetah can run faster than I can. So Minnie gave here wrong reply. Fox told to Minnie, you have given me wrong answer. Cheetah can run faster than I can. cheetah can run faster than me. मेरे से तेज चीता भाग सकता है, चीनू भाग सकता है. Now second turn of Allie. Who is bigger than you? Then Allie told, who is Allie? Elephant. Allie told, I think Rini the rhino is bigger than I am. I think rhino is bigger than I am. Rhino बड़ा है मेरे से. So he also gave wrong reply. Wrong, you are bigger than all of us. Then Fifi told to Allie, you are the greatest one than all of us, than all the animals. Just then Money and his friends find them. Then Money and his friends, they found all the animals. They are holding spears. And Money and his friends, they are keeping spears. And what are the spears? Spears are like weapons which are made with a long wooden handle and a sharp metal point. As you can see here, these are called spears. लकड़ी के बने हुए होते हैं and आगे से sharp metal point इनका लगा हुआ होता है. So they use for hunting. The animals are afraid and rush to hide behind the trees. Now all the animals are scaring and they are afraid and they hidden behind the trees. Fifi quickly puts the baby on the ground. Then Fifi kept the baby down on the ground quickly. Money sees Fifi. He tells her, oh Fifi, see, I am smarter than you and I am stronger than all the animals. Then Money saw Fifi and he told to her, Fifi, look, I am smarter than you. मैं तुमसे ज़्यादा smart हूँ and मैं तुम सारे animals से strong हूँ. But Money doesn't hurt the animals. But what happened? Then Money did not give the punishment to animals. उसने punishment किसी को भी नहीं दिया, किसी भी animals को नहीं किया. He only picks up his baby and goes away. He only just picked up his baby. He took his baby and he went from there. He went from jungle. Okay, so this is the story all about his baby. Now students, here, how can you learn these animals' name? I'll give you one trick. Like here, F for Fifi, F for fox. So Fifi is the name of fox. M for Minnie, M for monkey. So Minnie, monkey. Allie, E for Allie, E for elephant. So Allie, elephant. B for Bonnie, B for bear. So Bonnie, bear. Like this you can learn. Here, C for Chinu, C for cheetah. Okay, so these type of you can learn. Now, hope you liked it. This is a story and thank you.